guys. Abhi once again, and then who are you?
Hello guys, welcome.
San,
Your
as
friend,
always.
fellow and host San.
Yes. So we have one surprise for San. Maybe.
Again.
Yeah. So we have.
we have a friend
Yeah.
from Vietnam.
Yes.
She is here in Malaysia for the very first time, and we are very thankful for her to coming and joining us. Please come. Hello.
Hello guys, welcome to
She
our
is Mio.
channel. My name is Mio.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
What is your name?
My name Mio.
Mio.
Yeah.
Meow meow meow.
See, she's so cute. She's
Yeah.
from Meow Meow.
Yes. So if you like meow meow, she's one of them.
So we wanted to show her today the local market of Malaysia. So we are here in a market which is open in the night time to show her, and if she likes something she can try anything she wants. So we are just there to roam around with her and show you.
No,
What do you mean?
no. I mean, it's
What?
also new for us. It's not only for her.
Yes.
It's also for us.
This
So
market
we
is
all
also
are
new
going
for us.
together to explore this place. Street food basically, actually. Yeah. So let's
Yeah.
check it out.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's eat something maybe.
Let's go.
Girls love to eat, I know.
My son brother.
Yeah. She is forcing me to be her brother. Are coming back. The life of Malaysia is coming back.
Yep.
You can see the lights and the drink. These are the local drinks here.
Looks like a restaurant, but they are selling some homemade.
This is like yes,
Right.
stalls for the fresh food. This is the main entrance, guys, and this is the way we are going to. Let's go, guys. Let's
Something to say
go.
about this.
Yes, this is the local village market. Kampung Baru means new village. Okay, so it was the new village inside the KLCC, but now
Okay.
this is very developed. But still, they have the flavor of village.
As you can see, they're
The
also
food
like
and
following
everything.
SOP
Yes.
and everything.
Of course, they always follow the SOPs. And one more thing, it may look very new, but the food is traditional. The food taste is absolutely very
Okay,
good.
let's go.
Let's go.
By the way, there is one more update that I announced that people who have got 2 doses of vaccines, they can allow for dine-in. And unfortunately, the Mio is not one of them
Yeah.
who got the 2 dose. She still has the 1 dose finally, but very soon she's getting the 2nd dose.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. True.
Hey, how about the Milo? This side or this side? This side, I think. Oh yeah.
Oh, blended juice.
So where we can scan? Scan. Oh, never mind. The strawberry is okay.
Strawberry saga. Strawberry kurang manis. Strawberry kurang manis, kurang susu.
I don't know what they're talking. Too long conversation. They were just only juice only.
Just speak English. Less
Yeah.
sugar.
They don't.
less milk, that's
They
it.
don't have mango shake actually. So thank God I can save my money. So I'm going. But we will go and check it out. Other things to try. Definitely we'll try some few things. It's always have fun to try, you know. Yeah. And that's it. It's very hot actually. That's why I never go out at daytime, especially even nighttime also is very hot. But it's good if you're sweating actually. It's good for that. I find that it's good. So me are going to try this.
My God.
Yeah. Give me a spoon. Later you try this.
Can
So
I
it's-
try it here?
Yeah, so spoon is for
What you can
you
try.
can bring back home, and you can eat nasi and chicken soup if you cook already. So how is it?
It's good.
Any recommendation?
It's very smell.
Okay.
Strawberry inside is very good. Yeah,
Very good?
I like it.
So you mean the son, whatever he instruct to the guy, it was good enough?
Because I told him in Malay that he wants less sweet, less smell. So I asked him to put more strawberries.
And
So,
that's
that's
why
okay.
a lot of strawberries smell inside.
So you like more strawberry?
Yeah, it's
You like
very
it?
Good, very good.
Good. So guys, this cost only 8 ringgit. It's like $2 around.
6 ringgit.
So it's $1.5.
Let me check. 6 ringgit is $1.20.
Yeah, so $1.20 around only. So I think it's not a big
Yeah.
deal, you know. So
$1.20.
and you can see the size. I think it's large, you know. So it's good, healthy.
Yeah.
And somehow we are sweating, you know, damn, we are sweating
Yeah,
so.
exactly. I agree with
So
you.
we need this kind of like
Fresh
energy,
drink.
fresh drink, yeah.
Let's
So
go.
after this, Mio is going to run
I thought,
so fast.
I think that after I drink this, maybe I will more active.
Yeah, energetic, yeah,
Can
yeah.
you experience?
Ah, no. So what? Do you think durian is the only thing left in this
So
world?
you not in our team.
Yeah. I like durian. If people think it's very bitter or sour,
Some
it's
people,
not.
some people think that the
It's not.
durian is stinky.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Why some people it is stinky?
I think that durian is good
I think this is something.
very sweet
Young tofu, clear in tofu. Correct. After we.
because you eat after 7 days.
No, no. After 12, after 12 a.m.
Oh my god.
सान पूछे कितने का एक ले लेते हैं. You like this?
Hello,
I know this. I like, but you like.
So take our time, Ring it. So it's actually less than $1. What do you guys expect, right? So please guys come and check his shop. Please try your street food. It's always tasty, delicious. Yep. Done, bro?
I want to su वाला खा के देखने. तुमने have you ever tried?
सुसु वाला क्या आता
हाँ,
है?
वो जो sweet corn जो होता है.
Okay.
Have you tried ever? अबंग, किची आदा.
Son, he knows little bit Malay. And he knows little bit Malay, and but when someone really starts speaking Malay, then he gets blur. He doesn't know. But he knows like 50-50, but I don't know. I'm zero actually. Yes.
Yeah.
And Mio is minus. No, but she knows one word, Jalan.
अभिषेक वो टेस्टर दे रहा है.
Test. Okay, whatever.
Okay, अब हम तरी मता की sweet and
Hi, sorry. Coconut and milk.
Wow.
Ah, coconut and milk.
अबंग गुला आदा. गुलाब गुलो
Let Mio try. Let Mio try first. You try.
अबंग तरी मता की.
Try. Thank you, bro. Take care. Mio's gonna try. Yes.
Yeah, ini atas boleh jalan. Okay, let's go upstairs. They will provide us outside.
Okay.
Let me.
Okay,
Anh channel.
channel.
S1 com. Oh,
FJ.
S1 com.
FSL com.
FS.
F for Fahad.
FSL com. Ah.
Oh, Fahad.
Smell.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You mobile ada? मतलब saya boleh tolong saya channel lah. Saya channel ada.
Follow.
Okay, चलो अभिषेक ऊपर चलें.
Okay.
So we are going up.
Video shot. May have video shot.
Video.
Channel.
Yeah.
Video channel.
You have her.
You have
his
channel, video
channel.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, good.
Video subtitle.
Okay, video shop. Okay.
Video subtitle.
Uh-huh.
Welcome.
Oh, we can find that. Okay, so we are going up actually. We're going up, and then this is recommended by San, and then recommended by the lady who's working here. So we are going to have a look over there. Let's go. Definitely, we will subscribe your channel, bro. Thank you so much. Yes, you also subscribe.
I bawa saya boleh tolong lah you subscribe ah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too, bro. So we are going up. Let's see. They really recommended us to go upstairs because they say very cool. Let's see view. So that's why we should sit.
The view there you can see that. I want to order something like roti canai or
San
something.
is looking for something. Let me have a look. San is taking time and I'm tired now.
Sit down now.
Okay, so last time we came from this place. This is the old street. This is Kampung Baru Street. They don't have. Yeah. So okay, I think is good enough. I think this part is good enough. Yeah, and then
Can I put it here? It will be more.
Yep.
yes, please.
Hey?
Now
Okay.
you can take the soup. Oh, they do not give you the soup.
No, he put the onion oil
Yes.
here and
Ah, that's why when he put here, it's okay. but
more
Mm.
salty.
He put inside a cup. That's why I feel
So this
salty.
picture is going to be in our
Maybe.
treat sections of our
Let's see.
website.
Yeah.
Very clear. If you're watching this video, I think this satay is far better than yours. The last time you bought.
Oh, chocolate too.
Please check out this place whenever you're free. Okay. So nice, right? Next time you can check this place. You know, I think it's also nice. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh, I don't see much people, but I think it's also good and check. But they have the same feeling, you know.
They both have the same. This is like more the hut side.
Yeah.
The open rooftop side.
Hi Mio. How are you?
Let's try. The food is here.
She's finished her dinner usually around 7. So she took earlier than usual. So she's not that hungry.
I
Yeah.
understand. What is your breakfast time?
9.
I cannot. Okay, guys. So this is the time to us to sign out because we have eaten a lot. We have a wonderful view. We have a friend who's enjoying. I have eaten a lot here. I have eaten the char kway teow, which is another Malaysian dish. A very tasty noodles. Sort of noodles, but not exactly noodles.
He's the one who eat you actually.
Yeah, it was, and I'm so full. In $1,
One is still I wanna eat that.
I have eaten $1 food.
Chilling.
$1 food and $1.20 drink and the food.
So the total cost
And
is
I'm so-
around.
Together, all of this food we have eaten today is less than $3. Less than $3,
Please come to
guys.
Malaysia.
Please come to Malaysia. You cannot eat this cheap.
Yes. Visit
$3
Malaysia,
US
visit
dollars
Kuala
and
Lumpur,
eat everything.
Try food as much as you
Yeah.
can.
And then
Please
let me
be
show
on.
you. Hold on.
Abhi.
And let me show you guys
Guys,
something.
good.
Yeah. See, a lot of foreigner locals are coming here to eat. A lot of people are here to eat. See, this is Abhi again. Yeah.
Travel it together.
Mio, our
Stay
friend,
with us. Hashtag stay safe.
and me again. So guys, this is us. So we are going to sign out now. Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye.
We are going to sign out. Bye
See you
bye.
in-
Have a good
see you
day.
in Ho Chi Minh
Please
City.
like, subscribe, and share our channel. You know our name. With us, travel, treat together. See you guys. Bye.